Alright, so let's talk IPTV. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television TV delivered over the internet. It opens up a whole new world of content, thousands of channels, movies on demand, and international programming. The flexibility is a huge plus. You're no longer tied to traditional broadcast schedules. One of the biggest perks of IPTV is the potential to take control. You can watch what you want, when you want, and even record it for later. Imagine never missing your favorite show again, or fast-forwarding through commercials. Recording IPTV content lets you build your own personal library. It's like having a supercharged DVR for the internet age. This guide for 2025 will walk you through how to do just that. Recording abilities can vary. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. Some IPTV providers offer built-in recording features, often called cloud PVR. Others, especially simpler M3U playlist-based services, don't. Your specific setup, the device you use, the app you prefer, plays a massive role. Understanding these differences is key to a smooth recording experience. This guide will break down everything you need to know. We'll cover the types of services and compatible devices. We'll look at the best apps for the job. By the end, you'll be set to record your favorite IPTV shows. Let's get started and unlock the full power of your IPTV. First up, let's dive into IPTV services themselves. Not all are created equal, especially when it comes to recording. Some services are fully legal and operate like traditional TV providers, often with cloud DVR functionality. These are often subscription-based and more official. Then you have services based on M3U playlists or extreme codes. Recording here usually falls on your shoulders. You'll need your own app and your own storage. This offers more flexibility. You control where recordings are saved and for how long. The type of IPTV service you choose directly impacts how you record. If your provider offers a built-in PVR, that's usually the easiest route. But if you're using an M3U playlist with an app like TiviMate or IPTV Smarters, you're in charge. This guide focuses more on the latter scenario. You become your own TV manager, which is pretty powerful. Regardless of the type, a reliable provider is key. Even for M3U-based services, you want stable streams. If the stream itself is constantly buffering or dropping, your recordings will suffer. Look for providers with good reviews and consistent uptime. A good source stream is the foundation of a good recording. Do your research before committing to a service, especially if recording is a priority. Alright, let's talk hardware. To record IPTV, you need the right device. Many modern smart TVs can handle IPTV apps directly. If you have an Android TV or Google TV, you're in a good spot. These TVs can run apps like TiviMate and often have USB ports for external storage. However, their processing power and built-in storage might be limited for heavy recording. Dedicated streaming devices are often a better bet. Think about the NVIDIA Shield Pro or Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. These devices are optimized for streaming and generally offer a smoother experience. Plus, they are relatively inexpensive for the performance they provide. Don't forget the trusty PC. A Windows, Mac, or even Linux computer can be an excellent IPTV recording machine. PCs offer tons of storage flexibility and more control over settings and file management. If you're tech-savvy, a PC might be your preferred route. It's definitely the most versatile option out there. For some enthusiasts, Enigma 2 boxes are an option. These Linux-based receivers can be configured for IPTV. They are known for their robust PVR capabilities. While they might have a steeper learning curve, they offer a lot of customization. They are more niche but very capable for IPTV recording when set up correctly. Now for the software side. The app you use is just as important as the hardware. There are many IPTV player apps out there, but not all support recording well. You need an app that can handle scheduling, manage recordings, and access your storage. TiviMate is a very popular choice, especially on Android TV devices. It has a clean interface that mimics traditional cable TV guides. The premium version unlocks recording features. You can record live TV, schedule recordings, and even record multiple shows at once. It's known for its stability and user-friendliness. IPTV Smarters Pro is another widely used app. It's available on many platforms and supports M3U playlists and extreme codes. It also offers recording capabilities. Some users prefer its layout or specific features. Then there's Plex, amazing as a media server for organizing your own content. While not a direct IPTV recorder for M3U lists, it can act as a DVR for over-the-air channels. Some IPTV services might offer a way to integrate with Plex. It's a powerful tool for your media library. Recording IPTV with TiviMate. So, you want to record with TiviMate? Let's walk through it. First, install TiviMate from the Google Play Store. For recording, you'll need TiviMate Premium. Add your IPTV service with your M3U playlist URL or Extreme Codes login. Go to Settings, then Playlist, and click Add Playlist. Load your EPG for scheduling recordings. Find the show you want to record. Long press the Select button to bring up a context menu. Select the Record option. Start recording instantly or schedule it for later. TiviMate makes recording IPTV content easy and efficient. Enjoy building your personal media library with TiviMate. Storage solutions, where to keep your IPTV treasures, recording shows. Storage is key. Most devices lack internal storage. Use external options. USB drives or SD cards are convenient. 128 GB or 256 GB drives hold many shows. For more storage, choose an external HDD. They offer larger capacities. For the ultimate setup, consider a NAS. Section 7. Pro tips ensuring smooth recordings and staying legal. To get the best recording experience, a stable network is crucial. IPTV streams data constantly, and recording adds another layer of demand. While Wi-Fi is convenient, it can be unreliable. If possible, always connect your IPTV device directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This provides a much more stable and faster connection. If you must use Wi-Fi, try to optimize it. Place your router in a central location and keep it away from other electronic devices. Consider upgrading to a newer router with better Wi-Fi technology, like Wi-Fi 6. A strong, consistent internet connection is the backbone of good IPTV, and even more so for recording. Now let's touch on the legal side. Recording copyrighted material can be a legal gray area. It heavily depends on your country's laws and the terms of service of your IPTV provider. Some services explicitly forbid recording, while others might allow it for personal use. Always respect copyright and be informed. Finally, always check the terms of service of your IPTV provider. For M3U-based services from less official sources, the responsibility falls more on you. Understand that recording content you don't have the rights to could lead to issues. Section 8. When your service says no, alternative recording methods. What if your IPTV service doesn't support direct recording, or maybe your app doesn't have the feature? Don't worry, there are still ways to capture those shows. One common method is using screen recording software. Many PCs and even some Android devices have built-in screen recorders, or you can download third-party apps. With screen recording, you essentially play the IPTV show on your device. Then, the software captures everything happening on your screen, including the audio. This method is quite versatile and works with almost any content. However, the quality might not be perfect. You also need to leave the show playing uninterrupted while it records. It's a manual process, but effective. Another option is an HDMI capture card. This is a hardware solution. You connect your IPTV streaming device to the HDMI input of the capture card. The capture card then connects to your PC via USB. Software on your PC records the HDMI signal. This method can provide very high-quality recordings. It's popular with gamers for capturing gameplay and can work just as well for IPTV streams. Section 9. Conclusion. Your IPTV recording journey awaits, so there you have it. That's your complete guide to recording shows with IPTV in 2025. We've covered a lot, from what IPTV is to the devices you'll need. We dive deep into apps like TiviMate with a step-by-step guide, and we explored storage, network tips, legal points, and even alternative recording methods. The best method usually involves a good IPTV app like TiviMate. Pair it with a capable streaming device, add some reliable external storage like a USB drive or an HDD, and make sure you have a stable network connection, preferably wired Ethernet. This setup gives you the most control and the best quality recordings. Remember to always be mindful of the legal aspects and your provider's terms of service. It's about enjoying your content responsibly. IPTV offers incredible flexibility and a vast amount of content. Being able to record that content takes it to the next level. You can build your own personal media library, you can watch on your own schedule, you can skip ads and curate your viewing experience. It truly puts you in the driver's seat of your entertainment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.